Simple drawing art.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Simple Drawing Art channel. Today I will draw and color how to draw a hamburger easy. Hamburger is a fast food. First I draw the bread and ham, then cheese, then vegetable, bread again, then sesame, I color the bread with light brown. The vegetables with green, and red, cheese with yellow, ham with dark brown. Done! Be a delicious hamburger picture. Finish! Don't forget to like, subscribe this video. Bye bye in another video.